Once upon a time the white kitten walking through dark forest. White kitten hearing a cry. Cat running towards the sound. Cat injured, fox found. White kitten panicking. Carrying fox on back. Cleaning the wound, making fire, sharing food, talking about dreams. Good morning. Mama, I am feeling hungry. Come, my kitten, I will fry an egg for you. Mama, I feel like going to the park. Let's go, hurry up. Wow, such a big and beautiful park. Wait, I will buy the entry pass. Wow, I am having so much fun here. I will take lots of rides today. Mama, I want to sit on the roller coaster. It is very dangerous. Please, Mama, I like it. No, kitten, let's do this. I will bring something for you to eat. This is a good chance. I will quickly get on the roller coaster. Yeah, this is so much fun. Mama, what is happening? I am falling. Help, help. Ambulance, ambulance. The mother takes the kitten to the hospital and gets treatment. And the kitten is safe safely. Once, there was a poor little kitten who was very hungry. She begged people for food. But instead of helping her, people gave her spoiled buns, which made her sad, and she started crying. Her friends made fun of her. The kitten thought to herself that from the next day, she would work hard and earn money with dedication. She started working hard and saving money. She worked as a delivery worker from morning till evening and saved every penny she earned. After some time, she had enough money and wanted to open her own bun shop. She finally opened her shop and started earning from it. People loved the buns she made and came excitedly to buy them. Seeing this, the kitten felt very happy. Now, the kitten lived her life happily. Moral: hard work and determination can change one's life. Instead of relying on others, if we work hard with dedication, we can achieve success and even help others in need.
A cute little kitten is happily playing with a football in the garden. Suddenly, the ball hits a honeybee's hive by mistake.
Aww.
The honeybees get very angry and start buzzing loudly. Unfortunately, the bees catch the kitten and sting her. When the kitten's mother returns home, she is shocked to see her kitten.
No, here's kitty.
She quickly takes the kitten to the hospital for treatment. Meanwhile, Something strange happens. The kitten slowly starts turning into a honeybee. The doctor looks at the kitten in surprise and doesn't know what to do. Now, the kitten is angry and starts chasing everyone around. The mother cat gets very worried seeing her kitten like this. She sprays a special medicine to remove the honeybee effect.
No, here.
Finally, the kitten becomes normal again and happily hugs her mother. Think before you play. Even small mistakes can lead to big adventures.
The kitten and her family are going to the park. The kitten's mother and father are enjoying the swings. The kitten feels happy watching them. Suddenly, the kitten's father gets angry and pushes the kitten's mother to the ground. The kitten starts crying. The kitten's mother also cries a lot, and she starts bleeding. The kitten's father's ex is watching all of this happen. She immediately comes over to the kitten's father. Meanwhile, the kitten takes her pregnant mother to the hospital. A baby is born, but the mother dies. The kitten starts studying hard and vows to take revenge for her mother. She becomes a police officer and arrests her father. Now, she raises her little sibling by herself.
A kitten's father works as a food delivery rider. He is very hardworking and delivers food to different houses. Meanwhile, the kitten and its mother stay home, cooking and enjoying their time together. When the father returns home, he showers love and affection on his kitten. The whole family sits together and enjoys their time. Soon, the kitten's father leaves again for another delivery. Suddenly, on his way, a truck appears in front of him. The father meets with an accident. An ambulance arrives and takes him to the hospital. The nurse calls the kitten's mother. Hearing the news of the accident, the mother and kitten start crying. They rush to the hospital immediately. The doctors inform them that the father has lost his eyesight in the accident. The mother and kitten are devastated to hear that he will never see again. The kitten steps forward and selflessly donates its own eyes to its father. The operation begins. The father's eyesight is restored. However, the kitten is now unable to see. The father works even harder to earn money. Eventually, he saves enough for the kitten's eye surgery, which successfully restores its sight. The family is reunited, living happily ever after. Moral of the story, new line. True love and sacrifice strengthen family bond. Hard work, selflessness, and determination can overcome even the toughest challenges. Good morning, guys. Mama, I am not feeling well. You all look very cute, kitten. Come on, let's go to school now. Good morning, sir. How are you? Hey, good morning. I am fine. Students, today we will study about an interesting topic. Students, don't make noise. I am getting angry. Oh no. Sir got angry. Sir hit me. I will take revenge. Kitten goes to the shop and buys oil. Kitten spills that oil in the classroom. When Sir enters the class, he slips.
Kitty.
Sir gets angry. Sir beats Kitten a lot and treats him cruelly. Kitten, crying, goes to the principal and complains. The principal checks everything on the camera. He reports to the police, and the police arrest the Sir. Now Kitten and all the students are happy.
There is a very lovely couple, and the mother is pregnant. The pregnant mother already has a baby, a kitten, who goes to school.
The kitten's father is addicted to alcohol, and is always drinking. When the kitten returns home from school, he finds his father drinking again. The father gets angry after seeing the kitten's failing school results. The reason for the kitten's failure is the constant fights between the mother and father. In anger, the father hits the mother with a bottle.
Oh, no, here's Kitty.
The kitten gets angry and leaves the house to go to the police. The police come home and arrest the father. Then, the kitten takes his mother to the hospital. The mother gives birth to another baby. Meanwhile, the father is sent to jail.